In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart or graph to your PowerPoint presentation. So let's dive right in and get started with this essential skill for creating impactful presentations. First off, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and launch the application. Once you have PowerPoint open, locate and open the specific presentation you want to work on. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with your presentation's overall flow to better understand where your chart will fit in the best. Now, with your presentation open, we need to navigate to the Insert tab, which you'll find at the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab is where you'll access a variety of tools and features designed to enrich your slides. As you explore the Insert tab, you'll notice a section dedicated to charts. Click on the Chart button, which is your gateway to inserting powerful visual data representations into your presentation. A dialog box will appear, giving you a variety of chart types to choose from. You'll see options like bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Take your time here to think about the data you want to display and which chart type best communicates your message. Each type of chart has its strengths, so choose one that aligns with the story you're trying to tell with your data. Once you've made your selection, click OK. Now, when you confirm your selection, an Excel window will pop up. This may seem a little unexpected, but PowerPoint uses Excel to help you input and organize the data that will populate your chart. In this Excel window, you'll enter your data in rows and columns. Be mindful of organizing your data clearly and concisely. This setup will directly affect how your chart looks and reads. Once you've input all the necessary data, it's time to personalize your chart. PowerPoint offers a variety of customization options, allowing you to tailor the chart to suit your presentation's overall design and feel. You can change colors, adjust labels, and fine-tune other stylistic elements to ensure that your chart not only fits in aesthetically, but also enhances your presentation's ability to convey information effectively. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a chart to your PowerPoint presentation. Not only does this add a dynamic visual element, but it also helps ensure that your audience can easily grasp and retain the information you're presenting. Remember, a well-placed chart can make a world of difference when it comes to delivering an impactful and memorable presentation. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and rewind as needed while you work through your presentation.